Hi everyone, I'm Chris from Storage King in Rolleston.
I'm Am.
And I'm Kat.
It's Kat.
Yeah. That's
So
your mark.
square to the right of the door.
Yeah, when you're ready.
Handshake.
All three of you at the same time.
I'm willing to go now.
Yeah, good. And one more.
time. Right. See you later.
Yeah, action.
Come on.
Oh, what do you reckon, Crystal?
Take 300.
Close the door.
I'm Am.
And I'm Kat.
It's Kat. We're proudly serving the district. Look,
The district.
It's like a weakest link in the middle here, right?
is my stance okay? Like, or does it look like I'm too confident?
You hear cats like killing disappeared.
You're definitely sleeping in the garage tonight. I'm Am.
And I'm Kat.
Again.
If you're recording the whole thing,
It's not just about storage kings. It's about storage queens.